Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa S7 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because they could not do the filter reset on this machine. They could not change the filter, and whenever you change the filter you have to use the steamer to purge the to refill the system itself and to purge the filter. They could not do that because this valve over here was not opening. We opened the entire valve itself and we found a bunch of scale buildup in here and it was completely clogged. Now the water pump was pushing water through this valve, and because it wasn't going through anywhere, this water pump got forced and we had to replace the water pump and we had to replace the two-way valve that you see right here. So yeah, that's what we did on this espresso machine. Then we did we replaced the filter as well. We did a whole filter rinse. We rinsed the filter off through the one, and we were using the steamer constantly as well to make sure that the valve that is in here now in the machine, that the valve that is now in here in the machine will be working. The valve is located right here. You can see where is that located, is right there. And this is all the whole system of the whole machine, and that is the new water pump. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine. We're going to be running the hot water, and then we're going to be running the steam. Nice steady flow coming out through the spouts, excellent color. Great quantity as well. Nice shot of espresso. Hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream as well, coming out through the one, working great. And steam, as you can see, starts right up, steaming properly, excellent pressure. Great steam coming out of the machine. So there you have it, Jura Impressa S7 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.